Something here speaks warnings. What? Has someone been about here? The thief is at hand. Do not let him escape. I see him. This way. Help me pay this sinner his wages. Lend thy strength to mine to catch this man. Thief! Thief! After him! A prisoner escapes us. This way. An intruder! Fall thee upon him! And the builder said, if the foundation is weak, do you wail and gnash your teeth? Do you ask it to repour itself? Nay, you tear it down and begin anew. So shall it be with all my children, whether they be stone or flesh. And the faithful spoke, saying, Lo, with the scepter of righteousness has justice been forged. If thou wilt hearken to the designs the builder has made, and keep his statutes, thou wilt share in his triumphs. Vigilance is our shield that protects us from the squalid past. Knowledge is our weapon with which we carve a path to an enlightened future.
Subservience is not the rule of the righteous man. If we were to just make them understand that stone is the path, they don't understand us. They don't. Obedience is that call of the righteous man. Stones.
Yea, who comes unto me? Who passes there? Is that thee? What is that? Who goes? Was something there? What was that I heard? Who made that noise? Something made a noise. Listen. Didst thou hear that too? I think there is someone. Didst thou hear something? What was that? Do my eyes show me aright? What was that? Didst thou see it? Over there. Didst thou see anything? I think I saw something over there. At the... No, wait. Who is that? Thinkest thou to make mock of me? Show thyself. Who goes there? Halt and show thy face. What is going on over there? I heard that. Show thyself or face the consequences. Who goes there? Who made that noise? The builder shall spy thee if I cannot. Thy trickery shall not last. Thy shadow shall not cloak thee forever. Come out again, whoever thou be. I see thee there. Who art thou? What hast thee done? Murder! Murder! You've killed a brother. Murderer! Thou shalt regret having troubled me. Think not that thou shalt vanish now. I see thee there. Come closer, and thou shalt feel my edge. Stop! Who art thou? Ha! Where camest thou? Halt! Thou art not granted this place. I shall find thee and crush thee. Cease thy games and face me. Thou shalt not hide forever. The builder shall guide me to thee. Send up the alarm. Cry villain. Cry escape. Let the alarm sound. Cry thief. Cry villain. Let the alarm sound. Take thyself to the alarm. I hold the line. Come from the shadows and face my wrath. Coward. Bring thyself out. Art thou feared to face me man to man? Step from thy hiding place, villain. I am wounded. Seest thou the man? Help me. I am beset. Beware an archer in the shadows. Builder, guide my hand. Builder, aid thy servant. Thy trail of sin ends here, thief. The hammer of righteousness shall fall heavily upon thee. Thy sin has brought thy death. I build thy retribution. Was thy life worth this, thief? Thy fate is written in the book. See thy doom approach. Thou shalt not escape the builder's hammer. Fly swift and true. Thy death is at hand now. Thy doom falls upon thee. Swing with me and end this villain's life. 'Tis the builder's piece now. Needs must I calm my nerves. All is at rest now. 'Twas nothing. I would not have thought that rats would dare their teeth against the builder's house. A plague on these rats. Nothing to see now, I fear.
Thou shalt bleed yet, villain. That shall not save you long. Shalt thou flee next? The villain is quick, but we shall prevail. Thou art too slow. Thy arms cannot reach me. His blows are weak, brother. You shall be avenged. Call down the wrath of the builder on thee who has done this. A body. A murder. The steel of vengeance is unsheathed and awake.
'Tis been this way since the renovation. Come the rains, 'twill pass. Even the Baron doth finally act against evil, when prodded with enough vigor. Verily. Some have told me it was his own brethren who in sin didst turn him in. Yet another sewer overflow I heard yesterday. Thinkest thou that we should take their burden? There is naught strange in a pump or gear to us. Our strength and resolve, 'tis not what it once was. How durst he? Had he no shame? Ha! The Shamanov are shoddy craftsmen, and Tarius is well learnt on it. Dolan hath told me that his new apprentice had released the cap upon the steam gyre, and scalded himself. Dolan saith the boy shall live, but may leave the order. And thee. Good even. Praise the builder. May thy hammer swing true. Hail, brother. My thanks, brother.
Ah! 'Twas your last warning. Ah!
Bringest thou thy hammer of righteousness against this intruder? Strike with me, my brother. Swing, brother, swing!
Be thou afeared, villain. Thou dost only prolong thy fate. Thy attempts shall avail you not. The villain does take to defense. One nail more in thy coffin. Give in to thy pain. Thy blood spills e'er stronger. Let that show thee. Strike thee the foe as well. He cannot stand against us. Oh, builder, guard me! Oh! Builder, help us! Thy arm must be stronger to touch me. Thinkest thou that harmed me? My armor is proof against the likes of thee. The builder curse whoever called down this destruction.
A broken beam may be reforged, but a twisted soul must be uprooted. Step back where I can mark thee, villain. Where did he hide? Thou shalt not hide forever. Who art thou? Thou art no novice.
Alarm! An intruder!
Dost thou not have some work to do, novice? Novices are not permitted here, brother. Best that thou depart before the master forgers take note. Novice, wilt thou do an errand for me? Your brother carried a silver candlestick from the altar here to the dining room, and I suspect forgot it there. Please, make haste and bring it to me. Ah, my thanks, novice. Thou mayst leave it on the floor by the altar, so I may consecrate it again. Thy speed is unseemly, novice. Set thy heels at a more dignified pace. Good day, novice. Builder grant thee his wisdom, youngster. Raise the gate! Present thy credentials, lad. Thou art not permitted to... Wait. Thou art an impostor. Sound the alarm! Ye shalt not rob from the house of the builder. The land of the heathen shall consume he who has stolen. Raise your steel in bloody vengeance, my brother. The thief has slain. Ready your arm for bloody vengeance. A killer stalks these halls. There is an intruder among us. Let him not pass by thee. Some miscreant has been through here. Keep alert. Did the thief come by this way? Be thou careful, for he bears weapons. Watch for a thief. 'Twill profit him little enough in the end. Stay awake. I worry there is something going on. Careful. Watch for anything out of the ordinary. Wake up, you laggart. I saw something strange a little while ago. Keep watch. Bring thine arms to mine aid. Comest thou to me? I am beset. Mine brothers, come strengthen thy beleaguered comrade. Our sanctum is violate. 'Tis one among us who should not be. Watch for an intruder.